Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce your payments with Capital One, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce your payments with Capital One, start by gathering your account information. Log into your Capital One online account or open the mobile app. Locate the Account Services or Manage Payments section. Review your current payment plans and due dates. Identify any potential areas where you can cut costs. Consider adjusting your payment due date for more manageable billing cycles. Explore options for lowering your interest rate, if applicable. Contact Capital One customer service for more personalized assistance. Inquire about hardship programs or payment plans available to you. Ask if you qualify for any financial relief options or credit counseling services. Evaluate whether consolidating your debt might be a viable solution. If you have multiple accounts, look into combining them for simplicity. Review your monthly budget to determine what payment you can realistically afford. Make sure to keep track of all payments and agreements you make. Set reminders for due dates to avoid late fees. Finally, monitor your account statements regularly for any changes in terms or rates. By following these steps, you can work towards reducing your payments with Capital One effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.